Let's do a full set with design from start to finish. I start off my prep with my slim diamond cuticle bit, and then I go in with a medium grit sanding band. I glue down all my tips and then I cut them to all match the same length. I then go in with my sanding band at a slightly angled position to give it that nice crisp square shape. This helps so that I have to do a lot less filing at the end. When blending in my tips, I use the speed at 5. I then remove any dead skin that's sticking up. I use my Super Magic Bond primer and then a rubber base coat. Before I pour in my monomer, I like to put down a lint-free wipe to keep the acrylic out of my brush. For her base, I used Cover Nude from Nail Prof, and as I'm applying my acrylic, I also go in with my pinchers to give her nails a more narrow look. Once my application is done, I use my carbide barrel bit to smooth out any bumps and also to seal my cuticle. Next, I sand it down, and then I'll go in with my hand file to give me the shape I'm looking for. Now I'm ready to buff, and then we're ready for designs. For the French tip, I'm using my 16mm brush with Nail Prof Super White. You want to use a very pigmented polish so that your nails don't lose their shape. Now I'm using my Nail Prof glue to put down the charms. And for this texture design, I'm using the Rhinestone Gel Sealer. And before I apply the chrome, I like to mix my super black and non-wipe top coat to give it this super mirrory effect. For this design, I'm using the Nail Prof Rhinestone Gel Glue and then a 3mm brush. The brush size makes it a lot easier to apply. And lastly, I go in with my Crystal Gel top coat just to seal it all in. I very carefully go around the 3D design so that it doesn't mess it up. And here are the results of my full set from start to finish. Thanks for watching. Bye!